Hello everyone. Whenever we decide to join a Rotaract club, we have a lot of questions in our mind. This video covers some frequently asked questions about Rotaract answered by our very own Rotaractors. So without any delay, let's get started.
Rotaract is an internationally recognized community which is built to serve the society. It is the youth wing of the Rotary Club which brings together the people who want to serve the community and help them with their work.
Rotaract is a platform where people like you and me can help the society in every possible way. Along with that, it also gives us a chance for self-development and makes us confident enough to stand out in public. In communities worldwide, Rotary and Rotaract members work side by side to take action through service.
Rotaractors, that are members of the Rotaract Club, plan ideas for events, conduct them and execute them with an amazing amount of participation, to create an impact in the society, to help the community and bring smiles to thousands of faces.
So Rotaract introduces us to a completely different world which we are kept away from. It helps in networking and building contacts within and outside the Rotaract that helps the society in a lot of different ways.
Monthly 18 to 20 events are there. Some examples are blood donation camp, beach cleanups, skill-based workshops for our members, treks, social media campaigns, events based on literary skills, digital skills, and
Join Rotaract with the motive to learn something new. You get new opportunities and meet like-minded people. It is actually fun to learn with these people and build with these people.
Apart from that, we have an avenue called professional development that focuses on topics for self-development. We host events to overcome stage fear, to develop communication between people and much more.
You can trick yourself and forget your nervousness and stand with confidence.
Get massive exposure in various fields like performing arts, content creation, sports, public speaking, social service, and your negotiation skills will develop too. The best part about it is that it's a great chance to expand your network and make new friends.
Apart from all that, you will get a year completion certificate recognized and affiliated by the Rotary International USA, provided that there is 60% attendance throughout the year.
Yes, most of the events conducted by our club will provide you with a certificate and it holds immense value. Let us say you are a part of the organizing committee of JOSH, our public relations mega project. You contribute to the project by helping the chairpersons, you learn more about event management and obviously enjoy the process. Adding this certificate to your CV will give you an edge over others when it comes to an event management or a PR job.
Yes. This is one of the major perks of being in Rotaract, where you can add all your certificates and achievements to your CV. The year completion certificate is very valuable and has a lot of value when you apply to universities abroad.
Rotaract makes one more outspoken, confident, and someone who is aware of their strengths and weaknesses. Since Rotaract is an international community working for the society, it makes a lot of difference in one scene. The personality becomes such that any company is going to hold.
Rotaract and college can be considered as two organizations. The college supports the Rotaract Club and helps it in its function. But since Rotaract is not approved or financed by the Government of India, the credit marks are not granted to the Rotaract.
But as mentioned before, Rotaract certification is internationally recognized and will be valuable for your future career prospects.
communication. You learn how to socialize with people on your needs.
Is public speaking. So becoming an RSVP or hosting an event would help you to gain confidence and help you fight your stage fear.
Confidence. You will literally ooze out confidence when you enter a room of people because there are going to be so many instances where you will learn how to handle your fear of judgment, nervousness, and considering others' opinion, even though you know your opinion matters and it must be put forward.
You will learn how to help people in a small scale or in a big scale. And all it takes is being there with an idea and the confidence to execute
scared and aloof individual to a confident and professionally secured individual.
As a road tractor, at the bare minimum, try to take part in all the events that our board of directors have planned for you and those that are of interest to you. Become RSVPs, apply for the coordinator's position. If you have an event idea, discuss it with your directors, help them plan out the event, and most importantly, enjoy the process, enjoy being a road tractor.
RCSIS Invest is a voluntary non-profit organization. Basically, you can join in without an interview and you can participate in all of the events that may interest the spirit inside you.
If you decide to take up a position in the core team, in the board of directors, or as a coordinator, or you decide to chair a project, you have to give an interview. But to be a member, no.
Absolutely. LinkedIn workshop attend karna? Sure, do it. You don't know how to play badminton and you are not really interested in that sports event. It's completely your choice. You love trekking. Join our club service fun trek. You love how social media works and you're very excited by the terms of SEO and algorithms. You can help our social media avenue with its ideas and execution. Creative writing nahi karni hai. It's okay. It's completely your choice. But we suggest that you attend most of our planned events because they are planned for you and your personal growth. And that is the only way you would be able to gain maximum exposure and experience. So, we encourage you members to attend as many events as possible, but it is not mandatory to attend all.
It is not compulsory to share, but if you are participating in an event and you like the concept or idea behind that event, it would be really great if you share it across your family and friends so that they also get to know about our club's events and participate in it.
We not only focus on giving back to the society but also learning from it. Since we are college going students, we get exposure to the outside world and learn more about it. Rotrack also helps you build soft skills and your communication skills.
We have 12 different avenues and conduct 200 plus projects throughout the year. You can get loads of exposure in Rotrack, which is impossible through any other organization.
But the 12 magical avenues of Rotrack Club of SIES Scientist offers you exposure in 12 different spheres of skill enhancement.
Yes, it's a lot of work, and that's what people who are not part of Rotrack would say. But in reality, you are in complete control of your time commitment towards the club. Also, the core team and BOD and everyone else are ready to share your workload in case you feel it's too much. We delegate our work.
As already mentioned, you are in complete charge of your own time constraints. You can choose how much do you wish to indulge in Rotrack. In Rotrack Club of SIES College, you will get to learn all the required skills apart from academics.
The RC Debut Rotrack are subjective to the amount of responsibilities you undertake. So when you undertake a task, make sure that you have your other priorities taken care of.
Believe me or not, most people you are seeing in this video had the same issues, but Rotrack helped them overcome their fears. We are a cooperative organization. Someone will always be there to cover your weaknesses and you can always cover someone else's with your strengths. We learn a lot in Rotrack about communication and it will always help you throughout your life.
Fill the membership form. You can easily contact any person from the club and they will provide you or connect you with Team Human Resource Development, that is our team HRD.
You can also visit our club website and get the details from there. Apart from that, you can also reach out to us on our social media handles. Links will be given in the description.
There are a lot of community-based Rotrack clubs in our district and they are as good as the institution-based clubs, and also they are open for everyone, that is from the age 18 to 31.
You can search for clubs in your area or your college to become a member of this organization.
You know what? Just change your college.
Remember how we were allotted houses in our school days? Red, yellow, green and blue. Well, not exactly, but avenues work the same way.
We have 12 amazing avenues that cover all the sphere of skills that you must know about. It's just a distribution of work so that members get to enjoy some fun events, some sporting and some technicals. Members also have a choice to choose avenues according to their interests and preferences.
Each avenue specializes in one or two aspects that will help the whole team to run the club effectively with proper bifurcation of roles and responsibilities.
क्लास में पीपीटी प्रेजेंट करते वक्त कभी स्टेज फियर हुआ है? या you feel like a loner in a class full of hundreds of students? Or you have never participated in any extracurricular activities in your school days and अब कसर पूरी करनी है? या नए दोस्त बनाने हैं? अच्छा फ्रेंड सर्कल चाहिए and you want to meet people just like you? बाहर की दुनिया असल में कैसी होती है ये जानना है? या बस एकेडमिक से हट के कुछ करना है जो फन हो, रिफ्रेशिंग हो, जिससे कुछ सीखने को भी मिले और मज़ा भी आए? देन व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर यार? अगर इन सब सवालों का जवाब हाँ है तो ज्वाइन कर लो रोट्रैक्ट.
Lastly and most importantly, you will get the feeling of pleasure and gratitude when you get to serve the people of your own city who are not as privileged as us.